If I may, Mr. Chair, I'd also like to ask DepEd for clarity. Yung CSE program ba ay nagtuturo sa mga bata na kasing bata ng 0 to 4 years old tungkol sa childhood masturbation? O what about anal sex, oral sex? Tinuturo ba iyan sa ating mga eskwelahan, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, no. There's nowhere in our curriculum that teaches these things to learners between 0 to 4.
Itinatakwil ba ng CSE ang parental authority natin, Mr. Chair?
Hindi po, malayo po yan sa katotohanan. In fact po, ang CSE ay supplementary. Hindi po siya meant to supplant or override the parental authority of the parents over their children.
So, in our current CSE curriculum, aside from the biological aspects of reproductive health, yung abstinence po ba, hindi ba ito po ay dinidiscuss din bilang isa sa mga paraan na mapigilan ng teenage pregnancy at saka STI prevention? At kung oo, paano din po ito ini-incorporate sa ating curriculum, Mr. Chair?
There's actually no really discussion on abstinence because you don't really talk about sexuality and sex in the curriculum. What we do is we map things. So we talk about these topics as fundamental or basic, science concepts. And even dun sa choice ng mga bata, those are incorporated in other subjects like ESP at saka po sa MAPE. It's not really explicit na talking about, we don't encourage or we don't discourage them from engaging in such acts. So it's really a general, it's part of the curriculum. We just map whatever is in there based on what the comprehensive sexuality education encompasses.